Hello and welcome back everyone. This is a day 2. Let's see how the students are preparing. Here these kids are making the model of water filtration. Here they are working on a project to make biogas. Now here these girls are making model of smart city. Here these boys making a model of electric locomotive.
I am Muskan. We are making smart detection of forest fire with laser perimeter alert. Here is my team. I'm Ronak Hassan.
Now we are here with another group of class 10. Let's see what they are making.
I'm Alice and today I'm with my team. It's Saloni, it's Ayush, and today we are making our project that is based on two villages. One is a village where people are not educated that much, so that they can develop their village on the basis of science or doing anything. In the other village, the people are educated much that they develop their village by applying science, for example, rainwater harvesting, or using solar panels. They generate electricity by using magnets, etc. So this is our project.